This video is brought to you by Hasa, providing products that deliver clean, healthy water for every aspect of everyday life. The bottom feeder, battery powered vacuum system, because it sucks to clean pools, so cleaning pools sucks less. And by Skimmer. Skimmer software is trusted by over 30,000 pool service pros across North America. In this video, I'm going to show you the new adjustable thrust ring for your bottom feeder. And the bottom feeder used to come with this rubber thrust ring. The new thrust ring is going to be much more effective, and the adjustable thrust ring will come included with all bottom feeder purchases moving forward. And the concept behind the new adjustable thrust ring is to get it as close to the propeller or blade as possible. And this will allow you to pick up long string-like debris as well as pine needles with no problem. And it does seem counterintuitive to have the thrust ring so close to the propeller, but there's actually real science behind it. And having this setup will definitely increase the thrust of the water or the pull of the water going into the bottom feeder. You can also vacuum in shallower water as well. And the way the adjustable thrust ring works is there are 3 different levels you can set it at. And you want to get it set as close to the propeller as possible. So you just want to try different settings until it's as close again to the propeller as possible. Just slide it over the screws inside. And you can see this one here has a pretty good gap still. So I'm going to change it to the other setting. So this setting gets it as close to the propeller without touching it as possible. Once you have it in the position you want, go ahead and turn it counterclockwise, and this will lock it in. Now the thrust ring is locked in from the top here, and you can see how close the propeller is to the sides of the thrust ring. And I'll be demonstrating the thrust ring with the bottom feeder cartridge filter assembly. You can also use the bags with the new thrust ring, and this will also give it a lot more pull. Again, it's great for long string-like debris, like pine needles and any kind of long debris that normally would get caught and tangled up in the propeller. And the adjustable thrust ring will make the bottom feeder much more effective and efficient cleaner. Again, it won't have any problem with long string-like debris getting caught in the propeller and stopping the cleaner. And the cartridge filter assembly will pick up dirt down to 10 to 20 microns. So that's a look at the bottom feeder with the new adjustable thrust ring. Make sure to support the sponsors of this YouTube video, Skimmer, the bottom feeder, and Hasa. They make this content possible.